Hi, my name is John Knight from Ascente. We are the UK distributors for Nyali and Team Board screens. So today I'm stood in front of two 92-inch displays from Team Board, which each display individually is 2.1 meters wide. But when you combine two together, you have a total visible screen space of 4.2 meters. Both screens are interactive, which allows us to actually start to move and drag content in the Nyali software up and down the wall. One of the things that we will test as part of our ongoing support for a combination of the hardware and software working together is to make sure that all the gestures work well. So you've got the ability to actually drag stacks of cards down the wall, the ability to actually twist cards in order to capture whether or not things have been done or whether or not you have reasons for variance. All of this will be part of our testing with the software. And just to point out the number of weeks that we're using on the screens at the moment, we're currently visualizing roughly 6 weeks simultaneously spread across the two boards, which is one of the reasons for having boards of this size. But just as a quick reminder, you do also have what's called a phase pull functionality, which means that we can now actually start to look even longer term. If you wanted to actually start to look at 12 week look aheads, you can use the phase pull view and then actually bring up your phase to week and start to actually drag your activities down into your daily activities. But just as one other thing to show you, whilst we have the screens, I'm going to be joined by my colleague George. Hello, George.
Hi, John. So what you can do with the boards and kind of the core idea behind having the boards and not driving the collaborative sessions through a laptop is the ability to have multiple people stood at the board at the same time, exactly as you would in a post-it note process. So because these screens support multi-touch, John and I can be dragging content around, we can be moving things, we can be individually typing at the exact same time, and the functionality won't be affected. It's very easy to do. And because we have the ultra-wide displays and 2 meters per screen, we can comfortably have 3 to 4 people at each display, meaning with 2, obviously 8, interacting with all the content and using the Nyali process.
Yeah, and as well as all the gestures that I showed you earlier, each of these windows has an individual keyboard. So that means that when you do have simultaneous people stood shoulder to shoulder at the screens, they can all be interacting at the same time without one person driving or taking control of the collaborative planning session. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website, ascente.com, where we'd be happy to help.